Everyone, Sunil here from Clean. I'm going to be pressure washing this section of concrete through here. We're doing a full exterior clean for this lady, including cleaning of the gutters, cleaning up all her downpipes, cleaning this concrete section, and then finishing off with an external window clean. These stains here, they are most likely from oil from the car. So we're going to pour a very strong chemical on here. We'll pour it straight on, and we'll let it sit for about 2 to 5 minutes. And the idea is you just slowly work the chemical into the concrete a little bit with the deck brush. You can see it's already starting to kind of improve certain sections, getting rid of it. So and what we'll do is we will pressure wash off this section of oil and see what kind of result we can get for this customer. If you've got the right tools and the right chemicals, it's actually quite amazing what you can achieve. And I'm here again now. This is part 2, so we're going to get ready to pressure clean this section, see the results we can get. Look at that, that's amazing. Look at where we started here compared to where we're going. So this is fantastic results. So this is the end result on this section of concrete. It's come up really well. As you can see, there's still some kind of faded marks of the oil stains, but nothing near what there was when we started. So this is the section of concrete we've done here, and all through here until this kind of end of her driveway, this is the shared driveway here. So there we go, magic results.